had this new instrument that I had just built. I built my first instrument. And then the next show, I built a different instrument. And the next show, another instrument. And now, 30 years later, I have a garage and a basement full of them. And you might say, well, what are these instruments? How do they sound? How do they work? So here we go. Here's a demonstration of some of them that I've built. Are you ready?
Of course.
Of course. Make these interesting, bizarre musical instruments, I have to understand something about how sound works in order to make them sound good. So let me tell you right now that sound is movement of the air. And it's not just wind. Take your hand and wiggle it back and forth. You are now vibrating your hand. It's the vibration of air that is sound. Sound is vibration! You feel the wiggly, buzzy feeling? Right. That's your vocal cords vibrating at high speed. These are called percussion instruments. Anything that you shake, or hit, or rub, but there's other kinds of instruments too, like this one, this one. Cardboard tube, right? What wiggles inside my tube?
The air.
The air inside my tube. Now, the air inside of this tube is shorter, right? So that's going to change how fast the vibration is. And that's going to change the pitch.
Yes, I knew it.
That's the high note and that's the low note. As a musician, I can take advantage of that. If I can get two tubes that nest together, I can turn it into a very simple but satisfying musical instrument. Hey! This is so loud that the vibrating air is going to be vibrating so big that it's going to hit you right in the face. You're going to feel the air with your face, not only your ears. So watch out.
My sister has that one.
Pay attention to your skin as the air slaps you in the face. Here we go.